Well, hello everybody and welcome back to Slaughter Food Creations. Paulie here, and I'm going to show you a simple pantry recipe of my black bean fritters. So let's go ahead and get started. The star ingredient, of course, black beans. So let's get going. All right, we got our can of black beans, and we've got them all rinsed off there. So we'll go ahead and go in our mixing bowl like so with our black beans. And then we have our spices here. I've got chili powder, coriander, cumin, onion powder, and oregano. Go ahead and get those all in there like so. And here's our garlic, minced clove of garlic. So we got that all in there. Let's get that incorporated. So we'll just give it a mix like so. Easy does it. And then we've got some flour here. You can use whole wheat flour if you like, but this is just plain all-purpose flour. We'll get that mixed in. All right, now that we got that mixed in, we can get a trusty dusty hand mixer or masher and get it all mashed up. So you're just gonna go in like so and get to work. It doesn't take too long, but we'll get two hands and we'll go at it. All right, now that we have our mixture all done, what we're going to do is, it makes about 4 fritters or 4 patties. So we get 4 equal size shapes like so, and just roll them up. Roll them up like so, and you can go ahead and just flatten them out. You're not adding any liquid to these because we're going to fry these up. So once you get them in a nice round patty shape there, like so, set them off here to the side. And I'll go ahead and get the rest of these all done up, and then we'll get them into the frying pan there. But it doesn't take long. Nice and mixed up there, and nice shape. About the same size, ready to go. All right, I've got my pan here all ready to go. It's got some hot oil in there. I'm using avocado oil, but we're going to go in here and do about we're going to do each one about 3 minutes on each side, and then we'll give it a flip, get a nice crust on the exterior, and it'll be nice and soft and fantastic on the inside as well. So let's get these ready to go. Some salt, rock salt, kosher salt, sea salt, or whatever you want to call it, like so. Some cracked black pepper, and then we'll go ahead and get those in, and we'll season the other side. Alright, so I seasoned the other side with salt and pepper, and now it's been about 3 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and start giving these a flip. As you can see, it's got a nice brown, darker brown exterior. It's nice and crispy. The inside's going to be nice, soft, and very well seasoned and tasty. But we're going to go ahead and get these flipped in the order that I put them in. We'll get the other side cooked up for another 3 minutes. Man, they look good. Alright, anyway, they're done. Been 3 minutes on that side. So we got nice, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Gorgeous, I tell you. Look at that. They can be used like burgers, or you can just put them over like with mashed potatoes, roasted potatoes, whatever you like. But I used them recently, and I had a nice salad and such with them. But there you go. Nice, crispy on the outside. Look, we'll just go ahead and show you. You can hear it. Man, is it good. Give it a try. Thank you for watching. See you next time.